Okay, so let's have a look at this question. We are going to write program code for a method called hidetreasure, which we know is within the original parent class. Your method should check that the random location generated does not already contain the treasure. The value to represent treasure should be declared as a constant. So if we go back to the identifier table, after done a print screen of it, we know that treasure is marked with a T. So we've got our method name here itself. We've got T equals treasure. Simple as that. We've then got a random number being generated between 0 and 9, which is 10. So remember, that's going to be looking at our rows. We've got 0 to 29, which is obviously 30, which is being looking at our columns, so X and Y. This will generate a random number. So this will be, let's say, 4, and this will be 8. So imagine we've got our squares. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's imagine that as our numbers, so we put a T there. But let's imagine that we run this program again, and we also get the random numbers 4 and 8. It'll scan, we've got a T. That is an issue because we don't want to get a random location which has already got a treasure in. But we do, we've got T. So what this is doing is the following. Whilst self._grid, the grid we're using, the array, yx, which is 8 for y and 4 for x, equals treasure. So if there's treasure inside 8, 4, remember treasure is T. Then do it again. Get a new random number for x and a new random number for y. So this will keep repeating over and over again. This will make sure that it's not going to, if there is a conflict, that it repeats it again. Once we're good, this loop won't run. So once we find a unique position, this loop won't run. What will happen instead is treasure will be placed at these coordinates in grid. So imagine it was the second time 1 and 1. When it gets to here, it'll make sure that we've got a T here. Treasure will be placed in the array at these coordinates. So imagine you've got a 2D array. At those coordinates, it'll have a T. Or in array terms, at these elements in the array. If you're struggling, if you couldn't have got this yourself, you need to now reverse engineer it. Look at the question again, see if you can actually do it yourself, get a good understanding of this.